Multi-org security summary is the perfect solution for any business that needs to manage security across multiple Salesforce orgs. Salesforce natively offers a security health check in setup that gives you a clear overview of the security settings and how they relate to the suggested values. This is great when managing one org, but when you try to manage this across a number of orgs, it becomes challenging. Multi-org security summary gets the data generated from the health check via the tooling API and stores it in an object. You can then take action on the data by using our security task and notification frameworks. Once it's been configured in the central org, you can then install the app in any child orgs that you would like to report against. They will send a copy of that health check on a daily basis to the central org for aggregation. Once you've installed the app, you will be prompted with the setup instructions and guide on how to configure your org. Once configured, you will sync your first health check, then schedule a recurring daily batch to ensure the data is always up to date.
Once the app is up and running, it provides access to the scores and risks on a daily basis, along with showing historical trends across all of the orgs. The head of security logs in, and they can analyze the data and are able to utilize the filter options to focus in on some key risks to address. Here, they're going to look at the major risks that need addressing. They filter the list to focus on critical risks inside poor scoring orgs. As they hover over each risk, they can see details about the risk, and they identify that a corporate policy is being broken as connections are being allowed without SSL enabled. They decide to take action on this issue by creating a security task. They assign it to Diane, who is the Salesforce admin for the Global Customer Support org.
Looking back at our daily security summary, we can sort the orgs by their health check score. What we can see is that the EMEA marketing org has nearly a perfect score, and then dig into the detail. What we see here is the historical trend of health check data, and that the org has shown real improvement over the last few weeks, although it looks like the score has decreased today. Let's create a task so that Todd, the Salesforce admin, can rationalize the change in score. While digging into the detail, we can see the security task history associated to this org. We can even view this org's designated security admin's user profile and the list of their security skills. When the org's admin investigates their task, they can see the detailed overview of the health check. They already know the reason the drop in score has occurred, so they can provide their resolution for auditing purposes.
And just like that, using multi-org security summary, we have been able to show how enterprise customers can analyze and improve the security health of all their Salesforce instances from one central org.